Problem 18 gives us this function f of x and wants to know what can x be? What's the domain? Domain or what your x's are. Is there a restriction? Well, if we're dealing with a fraction, the bottom there this cannot come out to equal 0. Because if it does, you can't divide by 0. It's going to give us an error. So we have to think, wait, I got to make sure this guy down here, this x squared plus 4x plus 3 can't be 0. As soon as you see an x squared and x in a number, you should be saying, hey, I got to factor that guy. That's going to break it down into two binomials. And in this case, it will. You'll notice to create the 3 is basically x plus 3, x plus 1. We have to make sure this x plus 3 times x plus 1, which is what this is down here in the bottom, doesn't come out to be a 0. I have two things. This and this multiplied can't be 0. That means one of these, each of these I have to set equal to 0. One of these has to break apart to say he can't be 0, or the other one has to break apart to say it can't be 0. Solving this, x can't be negative 3, nor, subtract 1, can't be negative 1. If you plug a negative 1 in here, that's going to give you 1 plus negative 4 is negative 3 plus 3 is 0. Oh, we can't have that happen. If you do negative 3 in there, negative 3 squared is 9 plus 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. That's negative 3 plus 3. Oh, can't be 0. The domain in this case, all real numbers. So everybody works except these two guys. X can't be negative 3, nor x can't be negative 1. I am fine with you putting all real numbers except x can't be negative 3, comma, negative 1. Tell me the two values it cannot be. That's perfectly fine. There's problem 18.